Ladies, this one's for us. Our next devoted event is happening on May the 16th, and it's a Saturday where we're going to be doing a Thrift and Uplift. So where we get together, you can donate some clothes that you have, and you can come and have some fellowship with the ladies. It's going to be a great time. You can get some new clothes, come for some pampering, and come for some chats with the ladies. You don't want to miss out. Speak to Sonia for more information, but make an effort to be there on May the 16th.
Grace, your love will wash me away over and over again, over and over again.
Have you joined Excel Church in the last 6 months or so? Well, we've got a new people's lunch happening on Sunday the 10th of May. This is a chance for you to get to know the leaders, get to know other people here at church, and to have a free lunch as well. It will be happening in between the morning and afternoon service, so make sure you come along and sign up online if you are joining us for that. You can find out more information by speaking to one of the leaders. We'd love to see you there.
Your face. Ooh, love you send me in the grave that's empty.
Accelerate course is going to be happening. It's a 4-week course starting from Monday the 8th of June, and this is a course designed for you to discover what your areas of gifting are and calling might be, and it might be things that you're not even aware of at the moment, but you can discover them on this course. So why don't you sign up for this course? The spaces are limited, so you've got to get in quick, but join us for that Accelerate course in June.
One day,
one church,
all generations,
all together.
What could happen when the church comes together?
Together Festival 2026.
June the 20th, 2026 at Hinley Park.
With live music, creative shows,
Comedy,
exclusive youth activities,
challenges, climbing wall, archery, kids shows and tons of activities.
there's a makers market,
Street food,
creative workshops,
featuring Philippa Hannah, Mark Ritchie, Lindy,
Paddy Simba, Together Band,
Together Choir.
with more to be announced.
Join us together with tickets from £6 each.
Just a note to let you know that on the last weekend of May, there are no church services happening here on the Sunday. And that's because we're going to be at Excel Conference over in Kefenlee having a great time away as a church family. Now, if you still want to come, speak to one of our leaders today or speak to Heather, because there might be a space or two available, at least for day visitors. So do have a chat if you still want to come along for our Excel Conference at the end of May. That's all for Excel News, but make sure you keep up to date on social media and our website. And this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. And don't forget, this Saturday is Next Level, so come along for that on Saturday morning.